This simple and easy hot fudge cake from Southern Bite is all about gooey, chocolatey deliciousness. As it bakes, it creates its own thick, rich fudge sauce that's truly irresistible. Right from the oven, just dig in and watch the decadent sauce flow out. Okay, so I came across this recipe while looking at other ones on the Southern Bite blog, and it immediately caught my attention. It reminded me of a hot fudge cake we used to get many years ago at a Shoney's restaurant here locally that was my favorite. This recipe sounded good, so I knew I had to try it. It was super simple and easy to make. I baked it for the full 45 minutes for it to set up, and it looked gooey and fudgy. Stacy from Southern Bite said to serve this warm with some ice cream, but when I did my review, I didn't have any on hand. But I did get some the next day, and I did a short taste test that I'll show at the end of the video. When I took the first bite, it took me right back to Shoney's as a child eating their hot fudge cake, but this one is better. It was so good I had to dive back in for another bite. It was absolutely delicious. The chocolate flavor was spot on, and the fudge sauce was thick, fudgy, and rich without being overly sweet. I'm glad I did a taste test without ice cream first because it gave me a true sense of the cake's flavor and texture, which was soft and somewhat like a brownie. On its own, I give this wonderful hot fudge cake 5 stars and was looking forward to trying it with some ice cream. So the next day, I warmed up some of the cake in the microwave and served it with vanilla ice cream. I had a few small bites of the cake, then of the ice cream, and then really dove in with some of each. Stacy was right, you really must serve this with ice cream. It makes a big difference in the taste. It elevates the deliciousness level up several notches and makes a 5-star fudge cake a 100-star one. This was dangerously good because you want to keep eating more and more. Overall, I love how this cake makes its own fudge sauce as it bakes. It's such a simple recipe but incredibly delicious. So once again, I give this hot fudge cake with ice cream 100 stars. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.